So I'm going to show you my winter flower collection in front of our building that we have arranged. So the first flower is Melampodium. So they started to bloom really early, and these are like small yellow flowers which look so bright and vibrant. So in this front row we have this entire collection of Melampodiums. And on the back row, we have two varieties of coleus. So this one is variegated in multiple shades of green, purple, pink, and hint of yellow. On this side, we have the maroonish coleus with edge of light green borders. On the back row, we have the Euphorbia milli, or the crown of thorn plants. So I don't think this was the right season to transplant them. So they are a little vulnerable, but when they have steady roots, they would be growing such wonderful flowers. On this side we have salvia. So these again started to bloom really early, and in the peak of the winter we had seen like this place is completely filled with vibrant red flower sticks. But I think the first bloom has started to wear out, so I would be trimming the dead heads, and we hope that there would be a second bloom this season. So these are like the Inca varieties of marigolds. So marigolds are like winter favorite flowers. So we have two colors. One is the light yellow and this one is the orangey shade. So the flowers are slightly bigger, so they have started to tilt a little. So we are trying to figure that out. But these are again one of the best winter flower collections that we have in our country. On the back side we have the birds of paradise. So again, when I transplanted them, they were a little weak, but now see new sprouts have started to come out, and there you can see new leaves, and we can already see one flower coming out from here. So which is a good sign. That means the plants are doing well right now. Here we have few different varieties. So this is another varieties of coleus which I absolutely love. I have been looking for this for quite some time, and thankfully I found it in a local nursery. So they have started to give out new leaves. They are the last plant to be transplanted here. So here we have the I think we call it celosia, but locally we also know it as coxcomb. But the season is starting to come to an end for this flower, so they are slightly vulnerable and trying to die. But in the beginning of winter, they came out with such vibrant colors that we all love. On the back, we have also transplanted few coleus of the maroon shade that I previously showed you. On this side, we have four different varieties of chrysanthemum. In Bangla, we call it Chandramallika. But this is the first time I planted this variety, but they struggled a little in towards the beginning. If I can show you this variety. So they had an aphid attack, and so I was really worried and had to try a few different varieties to get rid of the insects. So it was a bit of a struggle. The buds had come, but they were not blooming. But thankfully now the pest attack seems to have reduced significantly, and now the flowers have just started to bloom. So these two rows have bloomed already, and I'm really looking forward to see what these two varieties come up with. On this side we have the petunias, which is again the very hardy winter favorite flowering plant. I got them when they were just this very tiny saplings in a plastic packet, but now look how they have grown and come out so beautifully. We are still waiting for the bloom, and I think in a week or so we will start to see the birds coming out, and hoping it would be a magnificent view with varieties of color. I'll just show you a few more times. This is again petunias, so we have tried to keep two beds of petunias towards the entrance. So In this section we have lantanas. So lantanas are again like very hardy plants, and they come with small bunches of flowers with such vibrant shades of orange and red and yellow. So we have had like quite some blooms this season. On the back we have the iris plants. They usually do really well in the rainy seasons, but they have not come up with flower buds yet, but we hope in the coming days they would also do well. This section is not doing particularly good. These are panicas or the Mexican hearts, but thankfully new leaves have started to come out. They would come up with tiny purple flowers, which are one of my favorites. So I really look forward to these plants in the coming season. And towards the front we have had some series of dianthus which look really nice. They come in so many shades and colors, which really brightens up this place. On the front we have seen some hedge plants. So these are the few of the arrangements that I have prepared this year, and this was the first time I started to grow flowering plants. I have experience with a lot of indoor plants before, but I do not have much experience with flowering plants, so this was more of an experiment to learn what sort of soil is required for the plants, what sort of pesticide or what sort of fertilizer is required. So till now the success rate is quite well, and I really look forward to next year's winter. Thank you.